Welcome to day 16 of 30 days Excel challenge. Yesterday we have seen how to proceed with the bar graphs, and we have also seen how to make some important kinds of adjustments, edits in bar graphs. And we have seen how to change color of a bar chart, and how can we add axis to it, how can we delete the axis from it, and at the same time how can we edit the name of the bar chart. Like all such options we have explored it. Now today we are going to deal with some different kinds of bar charts available in Microsoft Excel. Suppose this is my data, imagine. uh, this column contains all my products, and this column contains the actual sale I have generated this year, and this column contains the targeted sale which company wants me to generate this year. Suppose company gave me the target of generating 23,000 rupees of sale from hairdryer product, but I have made only 15,000 rupees of sale. So what happens is, like such, I was given all these products. For all these products I was given different targets, so I had achieved this much as an actual value. You can know, right? So to visualize this, actually, uh, Excel has an option. So let us explore that. How can you track both the target and the actual sale with the help of a bar chart? We can now see that. So I'm selecting the entire data here. Go to insert. From insert you can directly go to this bar chart option. You can click this drop down. So as you can see, these are the different kinds of bar charts available here. You can select this horizontal bar chart. So there are mainly two kinds of bar charts actually. There vertical bar chart and horizontal bar chart. But right now the situation here or the data here demands me to explain the horizontal bar chart. Later in upcoming videos I'll explain you what is the vertical bar chart. So let us take this thing. This one is a clustered bar chart. What does it mean by clustered bar chart? Clustered bar chart means each and every criteria it will create a separate bar. If it is a stacked bar chart, only single bar will be appeared. In that single bar, all the criterias will be shown. So I'll take both of them and I'll show you. This is the clustered bar chart. This is how it looks like. As you can see in this, the target is denoted by orange color bar, and the actual sales are denoted by blue color bar. As you can see, for every product you have got an orange color bar which indicates the target, and blue color bar which indicates the actual sale. If you change this chart type to, so you can go here and actually change the bar type. If I change this bar type to clustered or stacked bar chart, what happens is only one bar will appear. So both the target and the actual sales will be shown in one bar. So it will be quite confusing for this kind of data to show it in stacked bar chart. So I have selected an option of showing it in clustered bar chart so that you can understand it very well. So I have shown you different properties of bar chart in yesterday's class. You can go back and search it. Otherwise, you can watch it once again if you do not get a good grip on it. So now let us explore how can we show both actual sale and targeted sale in one bar chart. So this is the way we can show it, but I have a much better way to show this. So come on, let's click on any of the bar chart here. Suppose I'm just clicking on this blue color chart, or I'm clicking on this orange color chart. So the entire orange bars got selected. Just press Ctrl 1. A formatting options got enabled here. As you can see, you can change the color, you can add a shadow to it. You can actually explore the options called as series, overlap and gap width in this section. So first of all, I am adjusting the gap width here. I don't like it to be the gap width to be 182%. I'm just changing it to 50%. So now the bars are quite legible and they are looking fine, right? Now the thing is, there is an option called as series overlap. I am going to explain this within few seconds. So now let us go to color here and let us put some faded color. We are having this dark blue, right? Let us put some light blue or something here. So the reason for putting this kind of color, I have a particular reason to this. So I'm going to select this further lighter, further transparent color. So now my targeted sales are light blue and my actual sales are in dark blue color. So as you can see it clearly. Now if I go here to this option and if I select the series overlap and now just check this, this is in 0%, right? Now if I keep this as 50%, now what happened is both the bars has got crossed over each other, like one bar appeared on other bar. So if I put this as 100%, both bars will just overlap over each other. So now I'm just putting it as 100% and I just go here and I just adjust the transparency level to just 45% or 50%. Now you can see the beauty of this chart. As you can see, this dark blue indicates the actual target achieved and this light blue indicates the targeted value. This shows out of 60,000, this is 60,000 rupees, right? Out of the target of 60,000, we have achieved only 45,000 by selling geysers. Like such, you can easily view both actual value and the targeted value from the same bar chart.